Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to analyze water demographics. So just tap on this browser and visit this official website. The changing demographics of the electrolyte at a state level. While less than two full presidential election cycles ago, 2K16 may feel like a significant time ago politically. Hotly contest midterm election and the 22K presidential contest, the coronavirus, and how they war in Ukraine have all transformed the tenure and dynamics of American politics. So after coronavirus and the war in Ukraine, from this they can change the demographics of electrolyte at a state level on US. So here it's in changes some on 2016, and here is the court order. So hope this video help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.